Acer E-lathe 1440V, an easy speed lathe. 10 great reasons to go Acer E-lathe. 1. Infinite 2 speed ranges. 36 to 2200 constant spindle speed. Easy change in no time, 0 to 4 seconds. 2. 3 horsepower high efficient Leeson or Marathon motor for high torque output. 3. 5 horsepower Toshiba S11 vector type AC frequency drive. Adapts wide range power supply from 200 to 240 and from 380 to 500. 4. E-lathe can run on both 3-phase and single-phase power. Acer E-lathe will not lose torque even run on single-phase power. 5. Low maintenance and downtime costs due to few gears in headstock. No RPM gear change breakdown, but accurate and constant RPM to prolong tool life. 6. Electronic brake for fast spindle stop. This function can be used on taping application. Conventional mechanical brake also can be used. 7. E-lathe could be upgraded to run on 2 CNC lathe functions. 1. Constant surface speed. 2. Programmable RPM. 8. Spindle speed could be continually adjusted to best conditions during cutting. 9. Machine bedways are hardened and ground more than Rockwell C52 with Turst Type B for long life usage. 10. The best accessories package includes 4-way tool post, 6-inch 3-jaw chuck, power cutoff chuck guard, halogen light, follow rest, steady rest, and micro carriage stop. Acer is the first to pioneer the electronic variable speed machine. With this new technology and its 9th generation of improvements, Acer has perfected the E-lathe design. Our mission is to bring you the easiest operation and trouble-free lathe. The E-lathe is the best energy efficient lathe. You can save energy costs up to 35% due to simple design. Also, it can run everywhere in any condition, from your top manufacturing facility to your garage, or near a nuclear power plant with high voltage output to suburban area with high fluctuation of power. Hundreds of Acer E-lathes are running and producing the best quality parts you need. Join Acer. We hope your next lathe will be Acer E-lathe.